Let's match the words to the correct beginning sound or letter. Number 1, the word is, Jerby, grass. Grass begins with letter G or G. Saan dyan ang beginning letter ng grass? Okay, next, this one. The word is basket. Basket. Saan dito ang correct beginning letter? Saan dito? Wait lang. Very good. Next, this one. Cow. Cow. Saan? Very good. Next, this one. Ant. Ant. Saan dito? Letter? Anong letter yan? Okay, next, this one. Number 5, the word is fish. Fish begins with letter fish. Saan dyan? Very good. Next, this one. Dress. Dress. Very good, Jerv.